The Washingtonian is a monthly magazine distributed in the Washington, D.C. area. It was founded in 1965 by Laughlin, Phillips and Robert J. Myers. The magazine describes itself as the magazine Washington lives by. The magazine's core focuses are local feature journalism, guidebook-style articles, real estate, and politics. Editorial content. The Washingtonian is noted for its detailed coverage of area professionals, businesses, and places. Such rankings have included top physicians, top places to dine, and top neighborhoods. Each issue also features listings of the latest fine entertainment, fine arts, and museum exhibits. Classified listings of prestigious real estate and illustrated coverage of society social events are included in each issue. Feature articles include frank exposes and in-depth profiles of local institutions, politicians, businessmen, academics, and philanthropists, suggestions for weekend getaway trips, and reality stories of local citizens enduring personal problems and tragedies which might also befall the readers. The magazine chooses a Washingtonian of the Year, people who give their time and talents to make this a better place annually. Circulation. The Washingtonian is read each month by more than 400,000 people who spend an average of 96 minutes with each issue and save each issue for an average of 5 months. The Washingtonian has won 5 National Magazine Awards. Leadership. In August 2009, the Washingtonian announced that Garrett Graff would replace longtime editor Johnny Limpert as editor-in-chief. Limpert is currently editor-at-large. Graff left in 2014 and was replaced by Mikkel Schaefer. The Washingtonian is family-owned. The former CEO was Philip Merrill, 1934-2006, who was succeeded as chairman by his wife, Eleanor. Their daughter Catherine Merrill Williams is the president and publisher. References. External links. Washingtonian, official website of the magazine.